So here we are, Math 7. What we're going to do is we're going to click in our current learning. We're going to click into our Independent Work Wednesday. And then this is adding integers on a number line with today's date. So if we go in there, now here's your assignment. Here's in progress and submissions. My side will look a little different than yours, but if you click on my document, it'll take you into the document itself, right? And I get it. So I think the issue a lot of people are having saying they can't write on it. I get it. So my toolbar might look a little different than yours. You might have an option to show a complex toolbar. But what I'm missing, right, is I don't have anything to write on it, right? So what I do is I click on Open in the Desktop app, and then I open Word, right? So I give it a second. Now it's come up. Now that it's in Word, I also have this new thing here called Draw. What Draw allows me to do is grab a marker. Then I can come down here and I can say 4 plus -5. So I'm going to use the number line to find it. So I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And then adding -5. If I'm going -5 after the 4, I go 1, 2, 3, 4, -5. So, and then if I want to be super fancy, I could actually label these. And I can use different colors. So I can say, this is +4 down here. And this is -5 up here. And so -5 ends right here at -1. So the answer is -1. So this is how I would like you to work through these problems on the number line adding integers assignment. I understand that it is a PDF. I understand that you can't type on it. Open it on the desktop app and use the draw function. That'll allow you to edit it. Thank you so much. Have a good day.